Hi there, my name is Jeffy, and in today's video we'll see how to make this cute DIY gnome. I have taken a cardboard here which is approximately 10 centimeters long and 8 centimeters wide. You can also use a leftover tissue paper roll, which makes it easy to make this project. That's what I've used here. And we'll be first making the hat of the gnome, and I'm using a red color yarn for that. So I'm going to wrap this yarn around the length of the cardboard around approximately 40 times. Once we have done wrapping, I'm going to snip the yarn, and we will cut the yarn from the end where we started wrapping, and this way we will have the yarn required to make the hat. So here I have the yarn required to make our hat. Now we would require a hat base where we can attach this yarn. So I'm taking the same cardboard. This time I'm going to place it horizontally and cut 1.5 centimeters of cardboard sections so that it gives us a ring to attach our hat. Like so. So now you understand why I used a tissue paper roll, because this gives us the right measure for our hat. You can also use a jute yarn for the hat. It gives us a golden hat that way. Here, for the purpose of the video, I'm making a red color hat. We'll be attaching our red yarn to the base like so. I'll do it again. We will join two ends of this yarn, which forms a loop at the other end, and we will bring these two ends from underneath the base into the loop, so that way we can attach the yarn to the hat. We will complete the whole base like so. Once we have finished attaching our yarn to the base, this is how it will look. Now make sure that you brush out the ends of the yarn properly. We are going to insert the yarn hair inside the base, and we'll pull it from the other side like so. Make sure to tuck the yarn hair properly so that none of the strands are left in between. We'll brush them out and make sure they are properly aligned with the others. Once we are done tucking them properly, we'll take another strand of yarn and we will tie the hair or the yarn hair very tightly. We'll make sure that they are nice and secured with a double knot. I'm also going to put a stuffing underneath so that my hat takes a proper shape. Now you can make this stuffing either with a fiber fill. You can put a fiber fill inside. Here what I've done is the leftover yarn, the scrap yarn that I have after trimming the pom-pom or trimming the hair of the yarn, I put it in a tissue paper and I've stuffed that inside. So that way you're not wasting any yarn and it is utilized this way. I'm just making sure the yarn has taken proper shape, and I'll make sure that I secure the knot with a double knot. Now we'll trim the edges of the pom-pom, and it's up to you what shape you'd like to give. Usually it's a circular shape that we try to achieve. Everybody has their own way of trimming the pom-pom, so please go ahead and trim the pom-pom as per your satisfaction. If you like it short, make it short. If you like it long, keep it long. So I've trimmed the pom-pom, and there you go. Our hat is ready. Just make sure to tweak the edges to give it a proper shape, and the stuffing itself is helping us to keep the shape intact. Now I'm going to take another yarn and a tapestry needle, and I'm going to make the hanging for the gnome. So I'm going to attach it before we can make the base for our gnome. So here our hat with the hanging is ready. Now we'll make the body, and this is same as how we make a pom-pom. So for that I will be taking a white yarn, and I will be again wrapping it around the length of the cardboard. You can also wrap it around the width of the cardboard to make it more smaller if you like. And here approximately 80 times I'm going to wrap the yarn so we can make a fluffier pom-pom. Now this time I'm going to snip the yarn, but I will not be cutting one side of the yarn. If you know how to make a pom-pom, it's the same way. We'll just remove this bundle and make sure we tie another strand of yarn at the center of the pom-pom really tight and secure. You'll see how I do it now. This is one way that I attach the yarn. There are several ways to attach the yarn. Please go ahead the way you find it comfortable. This is one of the ways which I tried in this video today. Once we've secured the yarn at the center very well, we'll be taking the scissors and we will cut these loops at both the ends. Once we've cut all the loops, we will be trimming down the pom-pom into shape of a ball or into the shape of a face, if you like. I am just finding a spot to attach my hat over here. Spot the same way, with some glue we can attach some safety eyes, or you can leave it like this. It's up to you what look you prefer. So I have attached the safety eyes. Now these are the safety eyes. You can use whatever size that you like. The smaller, the cuter. So you can attach it like so. Make sure you secure it safely with glue as well, so that they don't fall off. Here our gnome tutorial is ready, and I hope you enjoyed and this tutorial was helpful. If you did like my video, please hit the like button. And I've also inserted a clip in the end for a different color hat. Till next time, thank you.